Okay, so emmet show expanded abbreviation shows expanded emmet abbreviations as suggestions. Essentially, this setting either enables or disables emmet. And you have three options here: always, never, so on, off, and then you have this middle option here, which is in markup and style sheet files only. So what's the difference? I mean, always and never is on or off. In markup and style sheet files only, let's actually read the description and see if we can glean some information from this. This option applies to HTML. Okay, it doesn't say much. So here's the thing. Emmet knows about a few languages and is enabled by default in a few languages. And you can expand where emmet works. So you can use the setting here, emmet include languages, and expand the languages where emmet works. Now, emmet doesn't know about those languages, which means that it would be relatively easy for emmet to try and expand abbreviations in a part of the file where it didn't really make much sense to do so, right? Because emmet is not aware of other languages that it's built for. And this is what this setting is about. When you say in markup and style sheet files only, well, the setting is not really, I guess, very descriptive, because what this pertains to is that emmet will make sure that it will only work in not just in markup and style sheet files only, but rather in markup and style sheet zones only, even in expanded languages. So if you use a language, if you map a language here that emmet is not aware about, emmet will start working everywhere in that file, but there are some places in that file where emmet doesn't make much sense to be working there. So you can just use this option, and it will only work in places where it detects it has markup or style sheet. Okay, I hope that was clear. I don't have any expanded languages here, so I'm not expanding emmet to other types of files, so I'm going to leave this one as always.